So I started nailing the bottom one, and I ran into a couple little rot spots. I could feel them because the nail went in too easy. So then on closer examination, I said, that's it. I'm taking the full second row off also. So you have to be flexible in your plans and don't take shortcuts even though you're planning on doing one thing. Be ready to change if you need to. So now I feel very comfortable. There is no more rot left. There wasn't much in the second one. We're not going to waste the wood. We'll take the rod off, we'll cut it, and we'll have moldings. So we'll reuse. And we pulled all the nails, we'll reuse the nails. So we're not wasting anything, but we want the job done right. So time to take a break.